Welcome to the Spellbinders March 2026 3D Embossing Folder of the Month Club called Urban Grid. This 5.5 by 8.5 inch 3D embossing folder features an embossed grid-like map of a city. So many details are represented, including buildings, roads, bridges, and waterways. This modern 3D embossing folder can be used for a variety of cards. It works well with the die of the month, but this design can work as a versatile background for other unique cards as well. Let's use this 3D embossing folder to create a card. Cut a piece of Spellbinders Breeze cardstock to 4 by 5.25 inches. Use the Spellbinders Mighty Mister to spritz the cardstock with an even spray of water. Let the water soak into the cardstock for about a minute to soften it, and then place it inside the 3D embossing folder in the spot you've chosen to emboss. To create the embossing sandwich for the Platinum 6, start with the platform base A. Place the cardstock into the 3D embossing folder and place that on top of the platform base. Place the D adapter plate on top of that, and then run it through the Platinum 6 machine. The design creates an amazing amount of raised detail. Use a light gray ink to swipe a bit of color along the raised parts of that design to make them stand out even more. Use Spellbinders tape runner behind the panel and adhere it to an A2 piece of Spellbinders Malibu cardstock. Place foam squares behind 2 of the die-cut sneakers made with this month's large die and adhere them to the background. Use small foam squares behind a stamped, heat-embossed, and die-cut sentiment from this month's Stamp and Die Club. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!